Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to present the Ottocast P3 Pro. In the previous episode I showed you the Ottocast E2, which is a more budget-friendly option but comes with lower specs compared to the P3 Pro. I strongly recommend watching that video as well, especially if you've never used an AI box before, because I explain in detail how these devices actually work. You'll find the link to that video in the description or on the end screen. On the screen right now you can see a small comparison table that highlights the main hardware differences between the two. As you can see, the P3 Pro comes with a more powerful chipset, twice the RAM and storage, a much more attractive interface thanks to OttoDrive 3.0, and it also adds an AI voice assistant similar to what you get with CarPlay or Android Auto. This is extremely useful while driving because it can be activated directly from the steering wheel controls or from the menu with a simple tap. On top of that, the P3 Pro also includes an HDMI port which allows you to mirror the image to an additional display. Now let's take a look at the interface and see how fast this AI box really is compared to the Ottocast E2. I will install the P3 Pro in a Toyota BZ4X. All the footage you're about to see is recorded in real time. Let's start the timer and see how long it takes for the system to boot. It took around 20 seconds for the AI box interface to load. I've tested many products like this and I can honestly say this is very good. You won't even make it out of your driveway before the system is already up and running. I also like the fact that both E2 and the P3 Pro remind you not to watch videos while driving. Trust me, a video can distract you very easily. I've experienced that myself. Let your passengers enjoy the videos and focus on navigation instead, especially since you have split screen support. Let's navigate through the menu for a moment. As you can see, everything scrolls perfectly smooth, whereas the E2 had a slight lag. Those 8GB of RAM really make a difference here. I'll have to cut some parts of the video to keep it from getting too long, and I'll mute some of the audio due to copyright reasons. I can guarantee that audio playback works perfectly fine. Suspension and traction systems behave, so the car adapts automatically to whatever terrain you're facing. Another interesting feature is that on the narrow Hey everyone, welcome back to G700. The model and find out whether the G700 truly lives up to the hype. Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you an awesome accessory for a Tesla Model 3 Highland. One is clean, the material feels fantastic. Alright, without exaggerating, I can say that YouTube runs incredibly fast, almost as smoothly as on my PC. Of course, your internet connection also plays a role here. The split screen function is extremely easy to use. I have multiple apps running in the background, and as you can see, Google Maps runs without any delay. You can also easily resize each app if you want the navigation section to take up more space in the split screen mode. Streaming apps are fast as well. And since the AI voice assistant is one of the main features Ottocast promotes with this AI box, let's test it. Let's drive to Bucharest.
Head toward Strada Cornelia Coposu, then turn left onto Strada Cornelia Coposu.
Open Netflix.
Netflix is open.
Play The Offspring.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
I don't think many more comments are needed. You could see for yourselves just how fast and useful this AI box really is. It is definitely at least twice as fast as the Ottocast E2 and also brings some very interesting extra features. The only real downside compared to the E2 is the price. At the time of recording this video, the Ottocast E2 costs $150, while the Ottocast P3 Pro is $250. That said, don't forget I also have a 10% discount code available. After testing both units, I would personally choose the Ottocast P3 Pro for its much better performance, but of course it all depends on your budget. If this video helped you make a decision, don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Many more exciting automotive related videos are coming very soon. Bye bye.